Hi, this is Mike Turner from the Epic team, and this is a short video introducing Epic Teams. Often, a simulation department in an organisation has several engineers that will want to make use of high-performance computing. Rather than have each engineer have a completely separate Epic account, it sometimes makes more sense to set up a team. With a team, you can have one or more administrators that sets up and controls the billing aspects of Epic. They can then invite people to join that team as members. Members can submit jobs, manage data and start desktop nodes without having to worry about setting up separate billing mechanisms. Most importantly, the admins control and manage the spend of all of the team members. Okay, so I'm logged into Epic with a new account and I can start my own team by clicking on the Create New Team link. This will create a new team linked to my billing account. I'm going to create a new team. You can give a team name, so I'm just going to call it HPC team. And I can set an initial spend limit. So this limits the amount that this particular team can spend in 1 month. So I hit create. Epic will then create that team for me and also switch me into it. Seconds. Okay, so we've created a new team. I can close that. I can see now my active team is HPC team. You can always tell which team you're in by looking at the link on the left-hand navbar. So you can see here HPC team is active. If I have multiple teams here, I can switch between them using the switch teams option. So I can switch back to my account and I can switch then back to the HPC team. And that switches the context you're in. So it will change the data you have access to and also the jobs and desktops you can see. Okay, just to show you the difference in the data, if I go to the data manage as the HPC team, you can see here I've currently got no data. If I switch back to my account, you can see earlier on I uploaded a phone case, so that's there. So then by switching to HPC team, any data I want to share with my team members, anything I create in here, so if I just create an example folder, team data, okay. Any team members will have access to this data and see exactly the same view as I see here. Okay, so as a team admin, the next thing I might want to do is invite some people to actually join my team as members. So to do this, I can go to the Manage Team option as a drop down on the team name. So Manage Team, and here I can see a list of my current team members, their role, and I also have the option to invite people to join your team. So if I click on that link, it then brings up this dialog. Here I just need to simply enter the email addresses of the people I wish to invite, hit send invites, and they'll be emailed an invite to either join the team or set up an Epic account and join the team. Once they've done that, you'll see them here as team members and you can edit their roles using this actions item. So if you want to promote somebody else to admin, you can do it using this dialog. Another key feature for team admins is controlling your monthly spend, and you have a few options for this within Epic. At a top level, each team has a monthly maximum spend limit, and you can edit this by looking at your billing and then limits. So do your billing and then limits. Each team linked to your account is shown here and the monthly limit. To edit this limit, simply click on the edit icon next to the team name. You can then update the monthly limit to your desired value. You also have the option to set up job authorizations. Job authorizations allow admins to check jobs being submitted by members of the team. With job authorizations enabled, an admin has to approve jobs before Epic will run them. You can set thresholds for job authorizations, so it only kicks in when a job cost reaches a certain level, or enable it for all jobs. To do that, if you click on Edit, and then here you can have never, always, or when it reaches a threshold. So if I set that to £20, so any job over £20 will require authorization from an admin. The flexible combination of projects, job authorizations, spend limits and teams allows organizations to manage Epic usage in a way that works for engineers without budget holders having to worry about overspend.